All right, I'm back. What I'm gonna do, man? I'm gonna go ahead and call the adjuster. The adjuster. Her name's Smith. We're gonna see if she can answer phone calls. I already sent them intent to sue letter a few days ago, and most likely this is going to litigation. I already got the car from the body shop. I spent so much money. They had to pay me all that back. And we're gonna talk to her about the car. They already told me they're gonna pay it back, but the money has been. But they say if they get the car, they have to take it to the insurance auction. But we're not even set up the claim yet. How are you gonna take my car to the insurance auction, man? Without calling me and tell me, hey, we're gonna pick up the car, we're gonna take it to the insurance auction. Okay, I'm gonna call them right now and see if she's gonna answer. I don't know. Good luck.
Sorry.
She didn't answer. I don't know why Blue Fire Insurance Services have a phone number you can call.
For more options.
And they will answer phone calls. Hey, this is Ehab Massage. You know what my claim number is, Smith, Miss Smith. It's TXO 826-000-1596. Okay? I'm calling about my total loss. I know you got my intent to sue bad faith letter. I send you. And we may have, first of all, we never talked about the previous, what you call it? The previous damages in the car. The car doesn't have no previous damages before the both accident. And what you should do, you should fix the first accident, then you should fix the second accident. That will car will not gonna be total loss. But now you decide you want a total loss. All you have to charge is $1,000 deductible. That's the contract. And give me a call. We can discuss this over the phone, so we can record this conversation. And this conversation gonna be on YouTube with my records and your records. I'll call you, left you a message, and to discuss this with you. And I document everything for my lawsuit. Is coming up already. I'm discussing my lawsuit with 2 lawyers right now, and most likely I'm gonna have one of them handling it, the bad faith lawsuit. I'm trying to end this without hiring a lawyer, because I want to file it myself. Then I'm gonna hire a lawyer. I want to talk to you guys before it go further, because this is a simple case. I got full coverage, and you guys refuse to do the right thing under my policy agreements, and that will make you look bad in court. You need to do the right thing for your customer, and you do not just for me. You need to do the right thing for everybody got hit under my policy agreements, not just me. Their lawyer will contact me and make me file a bad faith lawsuit against you too for not helping the other parties. You need to do the right thing, not just for me. You need to do the right thing for everybody involved in this accident. Everybody, not just me. That's what we got insurance for. That's what we do. This is gonna be on YouTube for my record and your record and the court record and the jury record, so they can hear me telling you need to do the right thing, not just for me, for the other parties. And the other party involved in the accident, you refuse to give him a rental car. You refuse to fix their car. Now they have to go through their insurance, and that should be illegal what you're doing, guys. But all this will come in court. I think she's gonna be a witness on my case. I already talked to her. And guys, you're in trouble, really. You is in trouble, man. When the jury see how corrupt you are, they're gonna give me a problem. I'm not worried about the money. I just want to expose your corruptions, your lies, okay, Miss Smith? You just work for a company. It's not your fault. They just teach you how to cheat customers, so how to steal money from the people, how to treat customers so bad. This need to stop. Everything recorded on my YouTube channel, how you did me so dirty, and this need to stop, Miss Smith. Give me a call. I know they got my intent to sue letter. I send it certified to all the Americans, and it's gonna be a long fight. And at the end, you're gonna pay me $70 a day at least for not having a car. You taking too long to resolve my claim. When the jury see that, guys, you're in trouble, man. This is not over till it's over. All right, Miss Smith? Talk to you later. Give me a call sometime. Don't be scared. You're gonna be on YouTube anyway. You're already on YouTube, what, 2 times? I'm gonna put you on YouTube every minute, every second, every hour. You understand? I just wanna expose your corruptions. You do the right thing for the people, man. Not just for me, for everybody out there, okay, Miss Smith? Talk to you later, okay? You know, this is crazy how Blue Fire Insurance Services been treating people so wrong for a long time. And it's time to expose their corruption. And I call them, leave them. I know they have a direct line, but that direct line is just a number. I'm not lying to you. That direct line is just a number. That direct line is a joke. No one to pick up the phone. Look at my other video. Not even Tyler. Nobody pick up no phone call. They just corrupt, man. Look at the review on Google. The review on Google, it's less than, it's 1 out of 5. The worst thing you get is 1. You can get what I just filed a complaint with with the Better Business Bureau, and I put my lawsuit copy on there. I send it to them, and I filed a complaint with the Texas Department of Insurance too. And they you know, them people got fined. They got fined by Texas Department of Insurance. I think many times. Let me Google it. You know, and I'm gonna explain something to you about all American insurance. They're the worst insurance. This is the top 2 worst insurance company in Texas. I'm not lying to you. All American. I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna expose their corruption. All America. Okay. I'm not lying to you. Huh? Based on a numerous customer review and report, All America County Mutual Company, whatever it is. Okay. Many reviews describe the company as a difficult to work with complaint and stemming from people were hit by All America policy. They don't even help the customer. They don't even help the other party. Key customer review. That's what I'm talking about. See, All America hire Blue Fire. Blue Fire making All America look bad, you know. And All America hired Blue Fire to fucking destroy people's lives, leave them without a car, refuse to fix their cars. Claim handling and delay. That's my thing. This one mind. Claim handling and delay. Many claimants experience long delay in process. My claim has been long. That's why bad faith lawsuit going to be involved. Long delay, they don't abide by my policy, and low ball settlement. Low ball settlement offer for total loss vehicle. Low ball settlement. It's right here. Right. I know I need a new phone. This one I need to go get me another Samsung phone. Low ball settlement offer for total loss. That's true. That's what the argument me and them about. Okay. Now rude customer service. Bitch, I mean, to me, rude customer service. First, you don't answer phone calls. How are you gonna be rude to somebody if you don't pick up the phone? I mean, I know they're not professional. I know they treat people so bad, so wrong. They leave people without cars. They leave people hanging. And me, on my end, I've been paying car notes for March and April. One my car is a total loss. Now I have to pay May payment. That's gonna be 3 months. Me making payment on the car, while the car is total loss. All this gonna play on court, you know. All this money I'm gonna get back for the best faith lawsuit. I got a surprise for him. I got a good surprise. I'm not lying to you. I got the people got hit. They're gonna testify on my behalf. How they got treated by them under my policy agreement, you know, and performance and complaint. High complaint volume. According to Texas Department of Insurance, TDI, as of 2010, All America had a complaint index significantly higher than average Texas insurance company. With one report starting, they were like 3.42 times worse than typical company. 3.42 times worse than a typical company. They're high. Okay, that's All America. Guess who handle their cases? Blue Fire handle their cases. You think Blue Fire is a corrupt ass company? I don't know who the CEO is, making billions of dollars a year or millions of dollars a year, stealing money from the people. This needs to stop. The lady in my car got hit. They refused to help her. She ended up going to her insurance Progressive. She said, my insurance will get the money back from them. I don't want to deal with them no more. Them people is not this scammer, man. I'm blame her. She went through her insurance, but you know, that's claim against her policy. That's another thing. It's not good, you know. Okay, now Better Business Bureau feedback. The Better Business Bureau BBB lists numerous complaints with many users reporting issues getting their vehicle repaired after accident. That's true. No standard focus. They are recognized as a provider high-risk drivers and often operate through managing general agent MGA. That's their company. Summary review often advise that if you are involved in an accident with an old American policyholder, you may need to file a claim with your own insurance. That's what I was talking about. You may need to file a claim with your own insurance. The same lady, that's what happened to the lady. That's what happened to the lady. My daughter hit, and she ended up filing a claim with her insurance. That wasn't a lie. It's on here. That wasn't a lie. That wasn't a lie. I mean, when I go to court, I have a big surprise for them, man. I'm not lying to you. I'm filing a big bad. I mean, I don't know. I'll get $200,000, maybe $250,000 lawsuit. All I need is one evidence, one to prove the lowballing. I got that. Answer phone call. They don't answer phone call. They try to give me $200 for a total loss car. They told me my claim is settled. And they lied to Texas Department of Insurance, told them they already paid me and settled the claim. I got it on the record. They lied on that. They have to explain themselves in court why they send a letter to Texas Department of Insurance, told them they already paid me for the claim. I never got no check. I never got anything. And they send that check to somebody else. I on video, I told them don't send no check to the Plano office. When anybody get a check in the mail, they're gonna cash it out. All the money time. Do not send that check, man. They still send it. They don't give a fuck. Anyway, disclaimer. I mean, difficulty getting settled. They do. All American Mutual. I mean, they say. Let me tell you something. And Texas Department of Insurance fined them too. They got fined by Texas All America County Insurance. It's just got 1.1. The worst you get is one out of 5 review. Right, man. This is no joke, man. I mean, All America County. Okay. All America Insurance Review. I mean, we already know what BB complain and okay, select. Oh man, it's crazy. I want to see how much they got fined by the Texas Department of Insurance. I want to see All American. I seen it last time. All America on Yelp. I put a review on Yelp about them, and I have a lot of review on that. Texas Department of Insurance investigation. Okay, I think that's what I need. All the America County Mutual Fire. Okay, that's property. Let me see. I want to see how much Texas Department of Insurance file. Okay, they say Texas Department of Insurance investigated Fred Lawyer Insurance and All American County Mutual Insurance in Dallas, Texas. Personal injury attorney blog. I don't know what that means, but they've been investigated. And them people is the worst 2 company in Texas. To you again, All the American, stay away from them. And Fred Lawyer Insurance and All the American, stay away from them 2 people. You have an accident, you're gonna have a lot of issues. They're not gonna abide by your policy like they did me. I'm not lying to you. This is crazy. I have a big surprise for them, call. I have a big surprise, man. I'm not lying. I got a big surprise. I'm working on everything I need to do. And they submit a complaint. I already submit too many complaints. But anyway, All the American Blue Fire lawsuit is coming. Big time lawsuit. And they refuse to do the right thing under my policy agreement. And they refuse to do the right thing for the people, the other party, They made them file a claim on their own insurance. It shouldn't work like that. It shouldn't work like that. All the American and Blue Fire Insurance Services, they both treating people so wrong, stealing money from the people, denying claims, refuse to fix people's cars, lowballing on their estimates. This is need to stop. Texas Department of Insurance need to ban them people from doing business in Texas. If they keep doing that, I don't know what Texas Department of Insurance getting any cuts out of this. They told me, okay, you already know All the American Blue Fire is Blue Fire Insurance Services is not an insurance company anyway. And All the America, it is an insurance company, but it's the biggest scammer in the nation. Look, I've been over 2 months now. Over 2 months. And my car is not, it's a total loss. I'm still making notes on my car. I don't have no problem making notes. You know, a lot of people can do that, but I don't have no problem making notes on my car. I'm a wait till I settle the claim. Then it may take a year, it may take 6 months. My car is parked, you know. I already paid the body shop. They had to pay me the money for the body shop I paid to pick up the car. They tell me, I told them, well, okay, I'll give you the right to go pick up the car from the body shop. You know, they tried to steal my car twice from the body shop. I said, for one condition. You pick up the car, you take it to me. Bring it to me, and I'll park it. Once we settle the claim, you can have the car. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to take the car and take it to the auction, insurance auction. If we're not settling the claim yet, all Blue Fire, whatever, all American, why you want to take my car to the auction? Let's settle the claim first. Settle the claim. Pay me my money, you guys, under my policy agreements, and take the car, whatever you want to take it. I don't give a fuck if you take and burn it. But, you know, all you need to do is just abide by my policy and pay me whatever you have to pay me under my policy agreements, and do the right thing. And you told me you're gonna pay the body shop $6,000 to get the car out, and you want to take it to an empty lot, just have it sit out there. Okay, instead of have it sit out there, just have it sit on my lot, on my garage. Make sure you guys don't play no games with me. I have zero trust for all American, zero trust for all American, and zero trust for what you call it, Blue Fire insurance. Zero. I mean, it doesn't. If it go below zero, I will go below zero, but I can go below zero. Zero trust. It's like you can't trust. I don't want to talk shit because that video may play in court soon. I just want to keep it real. Zero trust for Blue Fire, and I have a zero trust for all them. I don't trust anything they say. I don't trust anything came out of Tyler's mouth. I don't trust anything came out of Smith's mouth or whatever adjuster working for this company. Never trust anybody working for Blue Fire. Never trust anybody working for All the American. This is a fact, man. This is fact. I talk shit, yeah, because they left my car. They say me a check, they say for $200. My car is a total loss. They say all you need is $1,200 to fix your car. My car worth $25,000. They say they're gonna pay you only previous damage. There's no previous damage on the car. They lied on that one too. I got evidence. Evidence don't lie. Video doesn't lie how they treat me. Soon we're gonna go. Soon we'll meet in court. Blue Fire. I'm not lying to you. You may have to pay a lawyer, but I'm gonna be present myself. I got all my evidence. I got somebody can draft the lawsuit for me already. He drafted it. I just gotta go file it in Tarrant County. Thinking about filing in Dallas or Tarrant County. If I'm filing in Tarrant County where I live at, I think that's the law. Where I live at, I can file my lawsuit. Well, I'm gonna file my lawsuit in Tarrant County, and it may take a while. They have to pay me for all this. My car will still park, and they have to pay me for uses for me not having a car, $70 a day since the accident happened. They have to pay me for day by day. It's gonna be on a lawsuit, and it's not over till it's over. Please stay away from Old America. Stay away from them agent like La Familia. They will send you to Blue Fire. Blue Fire is not an insurance company. It's an insurance services. You know, got hired by all the American most corrupt insurance company in Texas. By Texas Department of Insurance. Most complaints against them. Stay away from them people, man. I'm not lying to you. Soon I will be documents everything. When I file a lawsuit, I will document that. When I go to court, I will document that. I'll give you the update. Next time anybody need to file a lawsuit against All American or Blue Fire, go for it, man. Go for it. They're the worst insurance company out there. They will treat you like shit. They will disrespect you. Why you think I went crazy? My brain cells start fucking up. When they send me that check for $200, man. You say, we send you a check for $208 on my car, it's a total loss. What is wrong with you guys? It's crazy how that shit works sometimes. I hate to see you leave. I love to see you go. We'll meet in court, Blue Fire. We're gonna see who's gonna win this. It's not over till it's over.